that y'all ain't discovered yet. Yes, I'm running it like the government. Hint, hint, Eric B. nominated me for president, and my pockets is holding treasury every cent. These styles is unknown troop, like where Clark Kent goes when Superman steps out the phone booth. Up and away goes the tape and show state. My mind and mouth should've came with the cape, and now Lois Lane wants a date. My fame rates higher than my pulse, that's false. I'm so damn excited I made the point of sister silent. Make a pacifist get violent, the rhythm tyrant, Ancilla the Hun. Hold mics hostage with a terrorist tongue in exchange for a handsome son. Going down like young guns in the blaze of glory before we're done.
Takes a verbal hip-hop vibrate. 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 Hip-hop vibrate.
Rappers antagonists are come to aggravate. Hip-hop, herald of life, actuate my haikus, increasingly broaden your IQs. I assess, so now I'm a test through the elimination process. Who could contest? Walking poetry in progress, be it will tour or conquest. So I embark on this expedition in Napoleon tradition. I'm a small man with complex expositions, marvel of exhibitions. Can you stand the rain of this edition?
If you wanna stay in the kitchen, quit bitching. Me and my henchmen, trigger fingers itching. Shoot the gift like Mitch Richmond. New inventions, my intentions to take hip-hop to new dimensions that I failed to mention. We wig splitting, so all you hip-hop heads probably need stitching. Tricky like Samantha be witching. MCs be wishing they could stop my flow, there's no prevention.
Takes a verbal hip-hop vibrate. Takes a verbal hip-hop vibrate. Takes a verbal hip-hop vibrate. Takes a verbal hip-hop vibrate.
Tilt your head back and look at the
We
stars.
back on the scene like herpes, stronger than Hercules, able to rock crowds from nurseries to universities. My beats and rhymes perfectly configurate like figure eights. You would think the mic was figure skates, my soul on ice. Tanya Hardin couldn't touch it. Pop it in your bins or your bucket. Walkman's a boombox from the suburbs to boondocks, from skyscrapers to green acres. Hear my tunes knock, you name it, we done it. Strike the mic and keep it rolling like we bowling 300, 315. Sold to the highest bidder. I flow like the Tigris River. I just give you more reasons to call us your favorite MCs, like binary star riffing rhymes over these compositions. You would do the same if you was in opposition, but you ain't, so stop and listen. Platinum sales is not the mission. I seek and destroy my opposition, including anything that make me not wanna listen. Whack MCs with their weak ass discussions, so-called producers with their cheap ass productions. Labels need to chill with their Clark Gable deals. I get down like people in tornado drills. So while you blow away with the bull, it's they soldier, I lay low, waiting for the winds to blow over.
Takes a verbal hip-hop vibrate.